So let's show you how to use the equation editor in Google so you can type your work. First, I need the cursor where I want it, so it's blinking right there. Then I'm going to click Insert Equation. And you can see up comes this little menu right here with all these options. And I now have a little blue box right here. So I'm going to type my equation for the period of a satellite. So I'm going to put a T equals 2, and then I need a times pi. So I'm going to come up here to the Greek letters, insert my pi, then I need a square root. So I'm going to come here, click square root, and it has to be a fraction. So again, I come up to the math operators and see right here I've got my fraction, so I do my fraction. My fraction now, I need an arc cube, so I need also a superscript. So I'm going to come here and pick my superscript. So now I can type R, lowercase, and I arrow over, and you can see just barely that it moved up because it's so tiny. There's a cube. I arrow over again, get out of that, arrow over to the bottom because now I need a capital G and an M. And there is my equation. So now I've got my equation. As I arrow out, you can see that blue box disappear. So now if I needed to put numbers in it, what I can do is I can just continue typing this, and I can say equals, and we'd go 2, insert my pi again, then square root again. Then I need my fraction, and let's say the radius is 100 meters. So I'm going to then put in my superscript. I'm going to put some parentheses, so that way I can do 100 meters. And then I arrow over, and watch when it jumps. There it jumps, right there. Let's see if we can show you that a little better. Oh, can't do that. So we'll show you there's the cubed. Then I arrow over, and let's say G is 6.5 times, and I'm just typing this, 200 kilograms. So that would be how I type it. And then if I needed a new equation, I could come down here. Now notice, since I already did an insert equation, this is here, that menu, I can just click new equation, and a new box comes in. And I can type a new equation. Let's say acceleration equals, and then I need a fraction, force divided by the mass. And maybe that's my new equation that I need. So there you can see how I do that. Then I can just click back in that blue box. I have all my menus if I need to edit or change it. So that's what we need to do. We need to type all our work using that equation.